If you've ever tried to dig in heavy clay soil, you know it's more like wrestling a stubborn, sticky monster than gardening. Every scoop feels like a battle, and the earth seems determined to hold on to every inch of itself. The shovel sticks, your boots get sucked in, and you wonder if you're gardening or just fighting the ground itself. On dry days, your shovel bounces off like it's concrete. After rain, it turns into a thick, boot-grabbing mess. The soil shifts from rock-hard to gluey in a matter of hours, making every gardening task a test of patience and strength. It's a cycle that repeats with every change in the weather. This isn't just annoying for gardeners, it's a real problem for plants. They wilt, struggle, and often fail to thrive, no matter how much care you give them. The soil that's so tough for you is even tougher for their delicate roots. Clay soil is made of tiny, flat particles packed so tightly there's barely any space for air or water. It's like a wall, blocking the essentials that roots need to survive. The ground feels dense and unyielding, almost as if it's been pressed together for centuries. Imagine trying to breathe with a plastic bag over your head. That's what plant roots face in dense clay. They're suffocated, unable to stretch out or find the oxygen and moisture they desperately need. When it rains, water pools and drowns roots. When it's dry, the soil locks water away, out of reach. The extremes are punishing. Plants are either gasping for air or thirsting for water, with no happy medium in sight. Even though clay is rich in minerals, roots can't access them if they're suffocating. The nutrients are there, tantalizingly close, but locked away behind walls of compacted earth. The more you walk or till, the worse the compaction gets. A vicious cycle. Every step, every turn of the spade presses the soil tighter, making it even harder for roots to break through. You try to loosen it, but it always collapses back into a dense, airless state. It's like the soil is determined to resist your every effort, snapping back to its old habits the moment you turn your back. Plants struggle, leaves yellow, and your garden demands constant effort for little reward. It's easy to feel defeated, watching your hard work disappear into the stubborn ground. It's a thankless task, unless you find a way to let nature do the heavy lifting. What if you could break the cycle and finally see your garden thrive, without endless digging and frustration? What if instead of fighting clay you could hire a silent, tireless worker to transform it for you? Imagine a partner beneath your feet, working day and night to open up the soil, create space for roots, and unlock those hidden nutrients. There's a better way than endless digging and disappointment. You don't have to go it alone, or resign yourself to a garden that never quite flourishes. Let's meet your new underground ally, the natural solution that can turn even the most stubborn clay into a thriving, living soil. Most gardeners, when faced with heavy clay soil, reach for compost, sand, perlite, or gypsum, quick fixes that promise miracles and instant results. It's easy to believe that a few bags of amendments will turn dense, sticky clay into rich, crumbly earth overnight. You haul heavy bags from the store, spread them over your garden beds, and till everything in, hoping this time will be different. For a season, the soil feels lighter, plants perk up, and you think you've finally cracked the code. But before long, the clay returns, sticky, stubborn, and just as hard to work as before. The improvements fade, and you're back where you started. Why does this keep happening? Because these amendments are just temporary patches, not lasting solutions. Clay's compacting nature squeezes out the added materials, and organic matter breaks down quickly, leaving you with the same dense soil you started with. So you're stuck in a frustrating cycle: buy, spread, till, repeat. Each year you invest more time, money, and energy, but the results never last. Gypsum, often marketed as a miracle cure for clay, only works briefly and needs constant reapplication. It's not a permanent fix, just another short-term solution. It's like putting a band-aid on a broken bone, treating the symptoms, not the root cause. The real problem remains hidden beneath the surface. The companies selling these products love the repeat business, but your soil doesn't get any better. You're caught in a loop that benefits them, not your garden. This approach locks you into endless work and expense, draining your enthusiasm and your wallet season after season. It's exhausting, inefficient, and ultimately unsustainable. No gardener wants to feel like they're fighting a losing battle. Isn't it time for a solution that transforms your soil from the inside out, one that builds lasting fertility and structure, instead of just masking the problem? Imagine breaking the cycle for good, and finally seeing your garden thrive without endless amendments. There's a way to make your soil self-improving, so it gets better year after year, with less effort from you. Let's look at a living solution that works with nature, not against it. Meet Stropharia rugoso annulata, the wine cap, or garden giant. This hardy decomposer mushroom thrives in North America and Europe, and it's a game changer for tough soils. Unlike bagged amendments, wine cap is a living, self-propagating solution. It loves wood chips and straw, materials many gardeners already use as mulch. By introducing wine cap into your mulch, you unleash a microscopic workforce that breaks down organic matter and transforms the soil below. The mushroom's mycelium forms a vast underground network, weaving into the clay and improving it from within. It's not a quick fix, but a permanent natural transformation. You're not fighting nature, you're partnering with it. The garden giant turns dense, lifeless clay into rich, crumbly soil. No annual struggle required. How does a mushroom change heavy clay? It's all about the mycelium, the fungus's underground network. These fine threads called hyphae weave through mulch and clay, physically binding tiny clay particles together. This creates soil aggregates, crumbly clumps that open up space for air and water. The result? Water drains, roots breathe, and compaction fades away. As the mycelium digests wood chips, it creates humus, a stable, nutrient-rich organic matter. Humus coats the aggregates, making them strong and long-lasting. This isn't just adding fluff, it's building a resilient soil structure from the ground up. The process is confirmed by soil science. Fungi create permanent improvements, not temporary boosts. Your soil becomes well-drained, airy, and resistant to compaction. The garden giant is literally constructing a better home for your plants, one microscopic thread at a time. It's the ultimate underground renovation. Fungi don't just weave soil, they glue it together with a powerful protein called glomalin. This remarkable substance is produced by certain soil fungi, especially those that form symbiotic relationships with plant roots. As these fungi grow, they release glomalin into the soil, where it acts like a natural adhesive, binding soil particles together in a way that nothing else can. Think of glomalin as the soil's superglue. It coats and waterproofs soil aggregates, keeping them stable even in heavy rain. This sticky coating helps soil resist being washed away, even during the heaviest downpours, and it's a big reason why healthy soil stays put while bare ground erodes. This prevents erosion and keeps those vital air and water spaces open, season after season. With glomalin, soil doesn't just survive storms, it thrives, maintaining the perfect balance of moisture and oxygen that roots need to grow strong and healthy. Glomalin lasts for decades, making the improvements from wine cap mushrooms truly long-term. Once it's in your soil, it continues to work year after year, building up a legacy of resilience and fertility that benefits every plant you grow. It's also rich in carbon, helping lock away carbon in your soil for years. This means healthier soil for your plants and a positive impact on the environment, as more carbon is stored safely underground instead of being released into the atmosphere. When you grow wine cap, you're not just getting a decomposer, you're getting a master builder with its own supply of construction material. These mushrooms work tirelessly beneath the surface, creating a network that supports the entire garden ecosystem. Glomalin turns temporary fixes into a durable, fertile foundation. Instead of quick solutions that wash away, you get lasting improvements that make your soil better every season. It's the difference between a sandcastle and a stone fortress. With glomalin, your soil stands strong against the elements, supporting lush growth and abundant harvests. The fungus provides both the labor and the materials for lasting soil health. It's a silent partner, working behind the scenes to create the perfect environment for your plants to flourish. That's the secret to a garden that thrives year after year. Hidden helpers like glomalin and the fungi that produce it, quietly building a foundation for success beneath your feet. Wine cap mushrooms do more than fix clay, they bring bonus benefits. They're mycelium hunts and consumes root-feeding nematodes, protecting your plants from hidden pests. No need for chemical pesticides. The fungus sets up microscopic traps in your soil. And the best part? Wine cap mushrooms are edible, delicious, and highly prized. Once established, they produce large, meaty mushrooms with a rich, nutty flavor. Grow vegetables and mushrooms together for healthier plants and an extra harvest. It's companion planting at its best, better soil, natural pest control, and gourmet food, all from one simple addition. Your garden becomes more productive, resilient, and rewarding. Ready to get started? It's easy and affordable. Buy wine cap spawn online or from a specialty supplier. One bag is enough for a large bed. Next, get wood chips, often free from local arborists. Spread a 4 to 6 inch layer of hardwood chips on your clay soil. No tilling needed. Crumble the spawn into the top few inches of chips, layering if you like. Water well to activate the mycelium. That's it, the hard work is done. Over 1 or 2 seasons, the mycelium spreads, transforming your clay from the top down. The system is self-sustaining. Just add a fresh layer of wood chips every year or two. The mushroom overwinters and keeps working for you. One-time effort, permanent improvement. Build a healthy, thriving garden from the ground up, with help from the garden giant. It's practical, powerful, and deeply satisfying. If wine cap is so effective, why isn't it everywhere? The answer: money and marketing. The soil amendment industry profits from products you buy again and again. Wine cap is a one-time purchase that propagates itself, no repeat sales. You can't patent a wild mushroom, so there's little incentive for big companies to promote it. Modern agriculture focuses on chemicals, not biology, and research dollars follow the money. Fungal solutions are slow, quiet, and permanent, not flashy or profitable. The mushroom story spreads by word of mouth, not advertising. It's a quiet revolution, waiting for curious gardeners to discover it. Sometimes the best solutions are the ones nature already perfected. We've spent years fighting our soil, treating it like a problem to fix with endless products. But soil is a living ecosystem, and its health depends on biology, not just chemistry. The wine cap mushroom lets us collaborate with nature, not battle against it. For a small investment, you get a tireless crew of fungal workers transforming your garden day and night. All they need is a blanket of wood chips. It's the best deal in gardening, practical, effective, and deeply rewarding. Get your hands dirty, introduce the garden giant, and watch the underground magic unfold. You'll enjoy better soil, healthier plants, and delicious mushrooms. Work with nature, not against it. It's time to trust the fungus. This is the dirty job you'll be glad you took on.